Welcome all dear students and doctors in Ayurveda Adhyan A lecture series. Thanks all for watching and supporting to this mission Ayurveda Adhyan. And already we have completed 10th lectures of Ayurveda Adhyan, that is Kalpabhyas. Further going to today's lecture, I would like to share something regarding Kalpabhyas. Dear students and doctors, Kalpabhyas, that is learning of Ayurveda Kalpa, is very important in daily Ayurveda clinical practice. As you know, the Kalpa only name and its uses, it is not like that. We should know thoroughly in detail all Kalpas, because if you understand its Gunadharma, like we can say Ayurveda pharmacology, then we can use in various conditions of diseases. And in Ayurveda, it is not like that ki this is disease and this is medicine. So let's start today's session, Chandrakala Ras. So why Chandrakala Ras name given to particular Kalpa? So चंद्र प्रकाश में बैठने के बाद मन को आह्लाददायक और देह को शांतता प्राप्त होती है, उसी प्रकार से इस औषधि के सेवन से पित्त की उष्णता तीक्ष्णता कम होती है और शरीर और मन प्रसन्न होता है। इसीलिए इस औषधि को चंद्रकला रस कहते हैं। चंद्रकला रस एक खलवी रसायन है, कज्जल युक्त खलवी रसायन है। सो आज के लेक्चर की शुरुआत भगवान धन्वंतरी को नमन करके शुरुआत करते हैं। ओम श्री धन्वंतरे नमः। चंद्रकला रस, इट्स रेफरेंस इन योग रत्नाकर, रसरत्न समुच्चय, भैषज रत्नावली, भारत भैषज रत्नाकर एंड आयुर्वेद सार संग्रह. Its ingredients is all ingredients mentioned in this slide. We'll try to learn all ingredients in Bhavna Dravya in next slides. So first is Shuddha Parad and Shuddha Gandhak Kajjali. So Shuddha Parad Gandhak Kajjali is Yogavahi Rasayan. So Tamra Bhasma is an important ingredient, that is a Kashaya Madhur Katu. Its action as a Kapha Pitta Shamak, and its chief action on Rakta Dhatu and Yakrut. It is a Balya and Vishanashak. Next is Abrak Bhasma. It is Rasayan. Its action like Balya, Pitta Shamak, Vata Shamak, and it gives tonic to Majja Dhatu, nerves tissues, and it's a Balya. Next is Nagar Motha, we can say Musta, Cyperus rotundans. It is Sheetal, Tiktarasatmak, Amapachak, and Pitta Shamak. Next is Dadim Swaras. It's a Bhavna Dravya to this Kalpa. It is a Pitta Shamak and Rakta Stambhak. Next is Durva Swaras. It is a Pitta Shamak, Vrana Sandhankar action, Rakta Sandhankar action, Balya and Rasayan Karma. So another Bhavna Dravya, that is Ketaki. It is a Pitta Shamak and Daha Shamak. Sahadavi also Pitta Shamak. It's a Rasayan, Balya and Rakta Stambhak. Kumari, it is a Vishadoshanashak, Agni Shamak, Rakta Shuddhikar and Pitta Sravak. Its main action on Yakrut Avayav. Parapatak, it is a Tikta, Rasatmak, Amapachak and Pitta Shamak Karma. Shatavari is very well known as it's a Mansa Dhatu and Shukra Dhatu Vardhak, although it's Rasayan, Rakta Stambhak, Madhur Rasatmak, Tikta, Madhur Tikta and Shita, Madhur Vipaki. Kutaki Swaras, it is a Katu Shit Katu. Its main action on liver, it's do detoxification of liver. Its action as a Kapha Pitta Shamak, and its strong action is Bhedan Karma. Guduchi Sattva is another Bhavna Dravya of Rasa Chandrakala Ras. Guduchi Sattva, it is Vranaropak, Rasayan. Chandrakala Ras, another, that is Bhavna Dravya Ushir Swaras, Sheetal, Rakta Prasadankar, Daha and Trushna Shamak. Malati Pushpa Phanta, it is Sheeta, Viryatmak and Ahladdayak. Then Chandan, it is a Sugandhi, Sheeta, Rudya and Pitta Shamak. Sariva, Madhur Shit Madhur, Rakta Shuddhikar, Vrusha, Rasayan and Vishanashak Karya. Drakshadigan Bhavna, that is Manuke, 7 Bhavna. It is Madhur, Shit, Madhur and Vrusha. In some references, instead of Malati Pushpa, Madhavi Pushpa, they have mentioned Magadhi, that is Pana Pimpali. In absence of other ingredients, we can use like Chandan. And instead of Chandan, some references have mentioned Shrungatak. So, Gunadharma of Chandrakala Ras. As concerned with all these ingredients, we can understand all Madhur Tikta Rasatmak Dravya, and they have Virya Shita, and their action should be Pitta Shamak. So, let's go further to study all details about Gunadharma. So, its main action on Vata Dosha, that is Vatanashak, Pittanashak and Kaphavardhak. It acts on Rasa, Rakta, Mansa, Asti and Majja and Shukra Dhatu. It acts on Mutra and Sweda, Mala. Its action on Prana, Udak Vaha, Rasa Vaha, Rakta Vaha, Mansa Vaha, Asti Vaha, Majja Vaha, Shukra Vaha and Mutra Vaha, Srotas. Its action in Niramavastha, it's a Muttam Agnivardhak Karya, and as per Panchabodhik Siddhanta, it vitiates Prithvi and Apatattva, it pacifies Teja and Vayu Tattva and took Sharan of Akash Tattva. So we'll go to the further, that is Matra, Anupan and Kal. So Chandrakala Ras, its Matra mentioned in text, that is 2 Gunja, Anupan is Dadim Swaras, Dugdha, Sharkara and Draksha Swaras, and Aushad Grahan Kal, Ananya Kal, it should be giving in morning empty stomach or evening empty stomach. In Atyayak Avastha, we can give in Atyayak Kali. Karya Maryada as per Siddha Aushadhi Sangraha Grantha, that is 15 days. So let's go to the further, that is medical use. Chandrakala Ras mentioned in this slide, Grishma Kale, Sharad Kale, Agnima, this all Shrama, Murcha, in all these diseases we can use. We'll go to further and discuss all its Rogatikara properties. So we can use in this all Pitta Jvikar, Pitta Vadhi. It has good action on Rakta and Majja Dhatu also, and liver, and it's we can use in Grishma Sharad Rutu also. It cures all Pitta Vikar and purification, and it pacifies Andardaha and Bahirdaha. It creates, but it cannot create Agni Mandya because it contains Kutki, Shatavari, Sariva like Dravya. Although they are Shita Viryatmak, but they're doing Agni Dipan. So we'll, after understanding this Gunadharma, we'll go further to study each diseases. And as per text in Pitta Pradhan Jwar, Brahma, Murcha, Santap, Urdhvak Rakta Pitta, Mutra Kucha, Mutra Ghat, Atyartav and Pandu. In this condition, we can use Chandrakala Ras. So we'll try to learn every in detail. First is Rakta Pitta. So Rakta Pitta in Avastha Chandrakala Ras, it's very good action. It is usual Urdhvak and Adhogami Rakta Pitta. Reasons of Rakta Pitta, as very known, that is consumption of Tikshna, Ushna, Katu Rasatmak, Vidahi Padartha in more amount, and it creates an impact on Yakrut, Pliha and Sira. That is vitiation of Pitta dosh in all organs, and also vitiation of Tikshna, Ushna, Drava Gun of Pitta. Because of this, that is increased heat and in these all parts, and Dravansha of Dhatu will stretch to this to Rakta Dhatu. So nature tries to minimize the heat in this way. Because of this, the process of Sira of Yakrut getting filled due to Dravatva of Rakta Dhatu, and it minimize along with Dravatva Tikshnatno also increase. So Sira of Yakrut other parts of the body getting burst due to Sira Shaithilya and Tikshnata of Pitta dosh. So because of this, hemorrhagic conditions getting occurred. So Chandrakala Ras does Rakta Pasadan Karya by Tikta Ras and Shita Virya, so it can cure and treat Rakta Pitta. So the main site of Rakta Pitta is Yakrut, and its Pittaj organ due to Pitta Vardak Ahar Vihar, Pitta Prakop take place. Due to Pitta Prakop, Rakta Pitta Samprapti happens. So Chandrakala Ras pacifies Pitta dosh, and because it contains Tamra, Kutki and Guduchi, normalize Yakrut Karya, In also in गुदगत रक्त और मूत्रगत रक्तपित्त अवस्था we can use चंद्रकला रस with शतावरी क्वाथ. In नासा कंठ रक्तस्राव we can use चंद्रकला रस with वासा स्वरस. If आमाशय रक्तस्राव चंद्रकला रस we can use in अनुपान of दाडिम स्वरस. So dear doctors, we'll go further to study next, that is hemoptysis and hematemesis. In this slide we have mentioned causes of hemoptysis. When we'll start the disease wise lecture series, in that we will study in detail regarding these medical conditions. So as per the text we can use Chandrakala Ras in both medical conditions. So रक्तक छर्दी का मुख्य कारण है कि आमाशय ग्रथुरन, दैट इज़ इन गैस्ट्रिक एंड पेप्टिक अल्सर कंडीशंस. पित्त की तीक्ष्णता बढ़ती है, उसके कारण आमाशय के अंतत्वचा को वो असह्य होती है और उससे ये छर्दी उत्पन्न होती है. इन दिस मेडिकल कंडीशंस चंद्रकला रस पैसिफाइज तीक्ष्णता उष्णता ऑफ पित्त दोष, सो इट कैन कंट्रोल ऑन रक्त छर्दी. इन दिस कंडीशन वी कैन गिव चंद्रकला रस विथ उष्मांड अवलेह, प्रवाल and कामदुधा. So next, that is syncope. So in this slide we have mentioned the common causes of syncope. So in syncope condition, in which conditions Chandrakala Ras having good action, that is in पित्त शुद्धि, when रस रक्त धातु में पित्त दृष्टि ज़्यादा होने के कारण उसका अनिष्ट परिणाम मस्तिष्क पर होता है. सो उससे मूर्छा विकार उत्पन्न होता है. और पित्त दृष्टि और यकृत विकार की दृष्टि से जो कंडीशंस होती है, उस कंडीशन में जो मूर्छा आती है उसमें चंद्रकला रस का एक अच्छा रिजल्ट हमें देखने को मिलता है. नेक्स्ट इज ऑल यूरोलॉजिकल कंडीशंस like मूत्रकृच्छ, मूत्राघात, hematuria and dysuria. So in this all conditions, when fever is increased in उष्ण काल due to pitta प्रकोप, there will be a सशूल मूत्र प्रवृत्ति और सदाह मूत्र प्रवृत्ति. In these all conditions Chandrakala Ras is very useful. In this condition we can use Chandrakala Ras with Gokshuradi Gugul, Chandana Vati. Chandrakala Ras has Sangrahi action and most of its contents like Tikta Kashay, Madhur Ras, and it's also action as Deepan Pachan and Stambhan property due to Shitavirya and Daha Prashaman Karya. So it decreases the symptoms of burning and pain while doing micturition. So we'll go to the next slide to learn more about Sarvanga Daha. In Sarvanga Daha Avastha basically happens because of रस रक्त धातु में पित्त की तीक्ष्णता और उष्णता गुण बढ़ने के कारण सर्वांग दाह लक्षण उत्पन्न होता है. सो इस कंडीशन में चंद्रकला रस का रिजल्ट अच्छा है. इसमें जितने भी भावना द्रव्य दिए हैं वो शीत वीर्यात्मक ज़्यादा है, पित्त शामक है. इसके कारण हमें ये मेडिकल कंडीशन को ठीक करने में काफ़ी फ़ायदा होता है. सो ऋतु, सो to these slides we have studied about medical illnesses. In normal conditions like शरद ऋतु एंड ग्रीष्म ऋतु, इस ऋतुओं में शरीर में ज़्यादा उष्णता बढ़ती है. तो ये उष्णता को कम करने के लिए पित्त प्रधान व्यक्ति में या नॉर्मल व्यक्ति में हम चंद्रकला रस का सेवन कर सकते हैं, ताकि उससे जो हीट को पैसिफाई करने का काम हम कर सकते हैं. अश्रुकदर, एज मेंशन इन टेक्स्ट, there are so many causes of heavy menstrual bleeding like menorrhagia, metrorrhagia, all these conditions. In all conditions, as per allied condition and along with other medications of Ayurveda, Chandrakala Ras having very good action because it has Shitviryatmak Stambhan Dravya. Although they pacifies the bleeding, but they will not increases Ama Drushti also or Kapha Drushti also. So in this medical condition, Chandrakala Ras having very good we can say results. Chandrakala Ras, its property to treat Asrukdar, we can say PV bleeding, along with other drugs like Ashoka also we can use with or Pushanok Churna also. Ashoka is we can say phytoestrogen type of drug, and all this property Chandrakala Ras is very good medicine in this medical condition. So in complications of prameha like Pittajanya prameha, Kalameha, then Neelameha, Haridrameha, Manjishtameha, in this conditions Chandrakala Ras it's a good choice of drug. It decreases Sarvanga Daha, Ati Trushna, Ati Mutra Pravrutti and Tvacha Shushkata and Ushnata. So in these conditions, along with before going to contraindication, we'll try to learn some diseases which we have not mentioned in these slides, like vertigo. In vertigo conditions which develop due to cervical spondylosis or other conditions, Chandrakala Ras it's a very good drug of choice. Chandrakala Ras plus Gokshuradi Gugul, Lakshadi Gugul and Lagu Sutshekar and Suvarna Makshikadi Vati which subside this medical condition. In जोर वेग अवस्था इस कंडीशन में भी इसका उपयोग अच्छा है, जैसे कि पश्चमान अवस्था में तीव्र वेग स्वरूपी रहता है। इसका अनिष्ट परिणाम हृदय मस्तिष्क पे होता है और शरीर को अवयव को रक्षण करने वाली अत्यंत शीत होकर भी आमावस्था न करने वाली चिकित्सा में ये आवश्यक मेडिसिन की ज़रूरत पड़ती है और इस अवस्था में चंद्रकला रस काफ़ी उपयुक्त है। पित्त ज्वर में, वात पित्त ज्वर में ये काफ़ी यूज़फुल है। चंद्रकला रस को हम इस कंडीशन में द्राक्षादी फांड के अनुपान के साथ दे सकते हैं और उसके हमें अच्छे रिजल्ट मिलते हैं। सो we can go to the next slide. Contraindication. Chandrakala Ras having absolute no contraindication, but some people having we can say sulfa drug allergy in this condition we can give with precautiously, but all dravya which mentioned in this, all madhur tikta rasatmak shit viryatmak which can be pacifies the gandhak allergy also, ushnata also. So there is a absolute no any contraindication we can say. Summary. As per summary we can say it's a शीत वीर्यात्मक मधुर तिक्त रसात्मक द्रव्य, पित्त शामक द्रव्य, so which can be used in all medical conditions with pitta vatajanya dushti or pitta prakopik dushti. So in summary we can say in amla pitta patients Chandrakala Ras we can use with Kushmanda Pak, Praval and Kamduda. In Mutraghat or Mutrakrucha we can use Chandrakala Ras with Gokshuradi Gugul, Chandanadi Vati. In cervical spondylosis, Brahma Avastha, in that condition Chandrakala Ras we can use with Gokshuradi Gugul, Lakshadi Gugul, Lagu Sutshekar Ras और सुवर्ण माक्षिकादि वटी. रक्तदाब और क्षय, रक्तदाब क्षय, द्रौबल्य और अनिद्रा, इन दिस कंडीशन वी कैन यूज चंद्रकला रस विथ कुष्मांड पाक और प्लस निद्रा करवटी. इन पांडु विकार, दाह, भ्रम, रक्तदाब क्षय, इन दिस मेडिकल कंडीशन चंद्रकला रस वी कैन यूज विथ चंद्रप्रभा वटी and Suvarna Makshikadi Vati. So Chandrakala Ras we can say which has no any boundaries, we can use in all these conditions which we have to understand the samprapti, and then after the understanding the samprapti we can treat the patient with Chandrakala Ras. We can say in Chandrakala Ras we can use in urticaria also because there is a Pittaj Vruddhi also and Pitta Prakop condition. So concluding this we'll go to the next. That is, thank you all for kind listening Ayurveda Adhyan e-lecture series. Request from us, do subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon button so we will get notifications of our uploading next videos of Ayurveda Adhyan. And most important, note down this number and kindly send your name and city to this number so we can add you in our WhatsApp group of Ayurveda Adhyan. So stay connected. Goodbye. Jai Ayurveda.